You don't have to go far from Tayabas to enjoy this kind of villa. Yung modern, at the same time, nasa nature ka. Actually, this is our home. Kaming family, we love having guests over. Pag weekend, na-enjoy namin. We also offer 4 bedrooms, which is lahat naka-air conditioned, and 2 fully functioning kitchens. So the guests can bring their food and they can cook. We have outdoor shower, grilling area. We also have bonfire, and really the guests can enjoy their stay here. So gusto namin pakita sa mga Tayabasin na hindi nyo kailangan lumayo na makakita ng ganito kagandang villa na meron tayo dito sa Tayabas. Hello, I'm inviting you to visit us in Banahaw Glass Villa located in Barangay Lalo, Tayabas, Quezon. Ako si JD Aguila Laureles at ito ang Banahaw Glass Villa.